Today we learn English alphabets A to Z. Let's start. The first letter is A. A is for apple. The next letter is B. B for banana. The next letter is C. C for cat. The next letter is D. D is for duck. Next letter is E. E is for elephant. The next letter is F. F is for fish. The next letter is G. G is for goat. The next letter is H. H is for horse. The next letter is I. I is for insects. The next letter is J. J is for joker. The next letter is K. K is for kite. The next letter is L. L is for lion. The next letter is M. M is for monkey. The next letter is N. N is for nurse. The next letter is O. O is for orange. The next letter is P. P is for peacock. The next letter is Q. Q is for coil. The next letter is R. R is for rabbit. The next letter is S. S is for sunflower. The next letter is T. T is for turtle. The next letter is U. U is for umbrella. The next letter is V. V is for violin. The next letter is W. W is for water. The next letter is X. X is for xylophone. The next letter is Y. Y is for yak. The next letter is Z. Z is for zebra.